Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Techavro. So today I'm here to show you how you can remove virus from your iPhone. So for that you need an app, right? So go to the App Store and search on the search bar antivirus. So I'm going to type antivirus and then scroll down, and over here you can see advanced security and privacy. So download it and then open it, and then you have to set this. So continue and turn your notification on, and then turn your security, then web protection you have to turn it on. Okay, so I'm going to add my passcode and your device is now protected. So with this app your iPhone is totally virus free, so you can remove virus from this app. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. See you in the next video. Bye bye.